Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Sunday, December 29th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. I am headed to the supermarket to pick up some items, and I thought I'd do a video. But I was watching some motivational videos this morning, and they were talking about success lives outside the comfort zone. And I relate it to this video because I used to be this way. But people who have the potential to become successful, people that want to become successful, most of them never become successful because they're trapped in their comfort zone. They're too afraid of stepping outside of their comfort zone. Everything you want in life, everything that, especially in business and finances, anything that is worth having lives outside or lives on the other side of fear. All right, most people are never successful, even the ones that are perfectly capable of becoming successful, because they are fearful of failure. And when you learn to step outside of your comfort zone, you will start seeing success, in other words. All right, because I can tell you from experience, I've had this YouTube channel for a long time, many years, and I would pre-record my videos, I would edit them, I would make sure that my hair looked good. I would make sure that I didn't, mispronounce any words. I would edit them. I would cut out stuff I didn't like. And then I would put the video up. And I never really got any traction on my videos. And then one day I was watching somebody who was successful on YouTube, and they said that if you want to be successful on YouTube or Facebook or whatever social media platform you're on, that you have to do lives. And it scared me to death, to be honest with you. And I was invited to do some interviews on some YouTube channels. I did a couple podcast interviews. And, Tina can tell you that days leading up to those interviews and stuff, and they weren't even big channels, but days leading up to those interviews that I did, I was scared to death. I mean, I would make myself sick over thinking about the fact that I was going to have to get on the computer, go on camera, answer questions that somebody was going to ask me, and have other people see it. And it just scared me. And finally, one day it just clicked, and I just said, you know what? I've been watching all these people who are successful. It's time for me to step out of my comfort zone. And I did a Facebook and YouTube live. All right, I got StreamYard. I hooked it up so that I could, do lives on both platforms at the same time. And I just went for it, and I just did it. And after I did it, and I started getting some reactions that were positive, it encouraged me to do another one. And I did another one. And then I got more positive feedback. Or I started to see that my videos were getting a little traction. And when I mean a little traction, I mean very little. Like a couple likes, okay? But that was far better than what my previous pre-recorded videos were getting. And after I did a handful of these, I realized that there was nothing to be afraid of. Doing these lives have actually become fun now. And people like seeing the person behind the camera. They don't want to, when I click on a YouTube video and it's just a robot voice and it's just images, I can't stand it. I turn it right off. I literally can't stand those videos. I want to connect with the person who is doing the videos. I want to know that if I'm watching something about an opportunity or someone's giving me advice, I want to see who that person is. I want to know who they are so I can see if I resonate with them. Because in the business world, especially the work from home opportunity world or make money online world, people join people. Okay? So when you step outside your comfort zone and you start doing videos, and people are seeing you do videos, they can connect with you. And they're either going to like you or not like you. Either way, it doesn't matter. You're putting yourself out there. You're showing people who you are. You know, if you mispronounce a word, who cares? It's not the end of the world. Everybody does it. People like authenticity. And so I just started doing lives. And when I started doing lives and not worrying about what I looked like, what I sounded like, if I mispronounced a word, I started getting traction. And I started gaining followers. And I started getting views on my videos. And I started getting more people who would opt into my capture pages, which led to more sales. And it just continues to grow. Every day it continues to grow. And I'm showing up every single day making a piece of content. It might be a live, it might be, you know, a recorded video like I'm doing right now. It might just be a post on social media, but I'm showing up each and every day. I'm outside of my comfort zone and I'm having success. Okay? Because the comfort zone is just a psychological box. Okay? It's a state of security. It's a state of comfort. It's a state of, it's routine. You know, it's stability. It makes you feel good. It's like, oh, okay, well, I have everything I need. You know, my life isn't great. I can pay my bills. But you know deep inside your life could be a lot better. And when you step out of that comfort zone, your life can become a lot better. You know, it's just a no-brainer. The downside of the comfort zone is you miss out on things. You miss out on opportunities, potential opportunities. You know, there's a lack of growth personally, spiritually, mentally. It just keeps you from being your best self, you know? And you become almost stagnant. You know, it's just the routine of getting up, going to your 9-to-5 job, or doing whatever it is you're doing, and it just becomes a habit, a pattern, a routine. And you never really grow. And I see it so much. I mean, I've been doing this now for a long time. 18 plus years I've been involved in the work from home space. And it wasn't until I started stepping out of my comfort zone that I started to become successful with what I do. And I really started becoming successful when I started doing live videos, which was only a year or two ago. It wasn't that long ago. And when you step out of your comfort zone, it just, you gain confidence, and it just pushes you to want to do better, you know? I look forward to doing lives now. I look forward to being asked to be on somebody's YouTube channel for an interview. It's fun. It's exciting. I know that by me doing this, it will help me grow. It helps me grow my business. And you can do the exact same thing. You just have, you know, like I said, I see it all the time. People write to me, they call me, they message me. They have all these big plans, all these big goals, all these big ambitions. They want to be successful. Their why is their family. They want to make $10,000 a month. And yet, less than 2% of them ever take action. They just don't even take action. They want it, but they don't want it bad enough, because the people that want it bad enough are the ones who step out of their comfort zone. Right? And I mean, that's just a fact. That is just a fact. So the point of this is just try to take one small step today out of your comfort zone. Do a live video. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to hurt you. It doesn't matter if you don't know what to say, if you mispronounce a word, if you sneeze, if you cough, whatever happens, if you have technical malfunctions. I've had those many times. It just doesn't matter. So try and step out of your comfort zone today. And if you do, you're gonna see a whole world of difference. All right? But that's it for this video. I just wanted to say that to you. Each and every one of you, you can be successful if you really want to. Just step out of your comfort zone. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.